Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Oliveboard. In this video we are going to discuss top 15 weekly current affairs from February 27th, 2018 to March 5, 2018. This video is very important for upcoming SBI clerk exam, SBI PO of which the notification is about to come, and other exams also. So without wasting any time, let's start with the first point. Second India-Korea Business Summit, and here Korea means South Korea, of course. So the organizer is very important, organized by Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, DIP. Full form is also important for DIPP, and Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So where business is involved, Ministry of Commerce and Industry will be there. Held in New Delhi. The location is very important, and the goal is to strengthen the economic relationship, boost trade relations or bilateral trade relations, and increase investments between India and Republic of Korea. So the capital of South Korea is Seoul. The currency of South Korea is won, WN. So capital and currency you should know. The country with which India is dealing with or India has dealt with in the recent past, you should know the currency and the capital of that country. The president of South Korea is Moon Jae-in. So Moon Jae-in, he's a president. And Winter Games, Winter Olympics 2018 were also held in Pyeongchang, South Korea. So South Korea is very important for upcoming exam. Second point, a first of its kind aviation multi-skill development center. So what do you understand by multi-skill development center? Skill development center is is formed to give jobs, basically to provide skill to the youths. Okay, it is a CSR initiative of Airports Authority of India and was inaugurated in Chandigarh. Location here is very important. Okay, and inaugurated by Union Minister of Civil Aviation Shri P. Ashok Gajpati Raju. So this is the name of our Union Minister of Civil Aviation. He belongs to Telugu Desam Party of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, the center will train youths in aviation job roles, which the industry is booming. National Science Day, celebrated every year. The date is important, 28th February. Okay, every year. So the theme of 2018 is science and technology for a sustainable future. So why is it celebrated? It is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect on 28th of February 1928, and Sir C.V. Raman, who discovered Raman effect, got Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Sorry, 1930 he got the Nobel Prize. So when he got the Nobel Prize, this date is important, this year is important. Okay, and this date is important here. Now coming on to a fourth point, India's first defense squad in Tamil Nadu is being developed. Defense squad quadrilateral corridor will connect Chennai to Hosur, Coimbatore, Salem and Tiruchirappalli, all cities in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so it will make a quadrilateral kind of structure for its connection. Set up in the country to promote domestic defense industry. Okay, so it was announced in budget 2018 and 92 such corridors were announced. So similar other defense industrial corridor will be set up in Bundelkhand region. Bundelkhand region, the region near Jhansi, we can say Jhansi in UP, and this region it comes under MP and UP. Okay, now fifth point is Pragati. Pragati is an app, and the full form is very important, proactive governance and timely implementation. So you must know the full form. ICT based multi-purpose interactive platform. Platform is aimed at addressing common man's grievances and simultaneously monitoring the progress of the projects, reviewing important programs and projects, Government of India as well as projects led by state government. So it can oversee the projects which are being running in the country. Okay, so it is a very good step in e-governance. Then we have memorandum of understanding. Some important memorandum of understandings were signed, okay, or were announced. So the first one is on cooperation in renewable energy signed between India and Fiji. So here Fiji's capital is Suva, currency is Fijian dollar. Okay, and the goal of this or objective of this MOU is to encourage and promote new and renewable resources. Then we have seventh point, MOU between India and Macedonia. So again, Macedonia is a country in Europe. The capital is Skopje. Okay, and the currency is denar, DENAR. So this is the currency. This is important. So this is for capacity building, training of doctors and other health professionals, then exchange of doctors. So this kind of thing. Then we have MOU between India and Jordan. Now Jordan is a country in Middle East. Okay, Jordan's capital is Amman and the currency Jordanian dinar. Important, very important, again in health and medical sciences. Then we have improved the signing of MOU between India and Vietnam on economic and bilateral trade cooperation. Okay, now Vietnam's capital is Hanoi and the currency is Vietnamese dong. So here through this video we have come to know currencies and capitals of 5 or 6 countries. Now 10 point is National Highway Authority of India NHAI has decided to deploy all women toll collecting staff on International Women's Day, which is on 8th March 2018, every year on 8th March. Okay, now the thing which is important here is Shri Deepak Kumar, NHAI chairman. Okay, the name of the chairman of NHAI. Then we have 11 point, a digital mobile application was launched by Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Dr. Harshvardhan is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So the app is also named after his name, Dr. Harshvardhan. It focuses on his social and public activities and involving green good deeds. This is the keyword. Okay, now what are the green good deeds? Green good deeds are like planting trees or saving electricity, or you save water. So there are some activities which are listed under green good deeds. So you can download the app and you can see more of these deeds. So it encourages you to do one deed at least per day, one day. Okay, then the Union Minister gives nod to the Fugitive Economic Offenders Bill 2018. You should know the name of this bill in Parliament. So the bill would help in laying down the measures to deter economic offenders. So it has been passed in the wake of recently held PNB scam. Then after that Rotomac owner scam. Okay, Rotomac scam. Then before that Vijay Mallya scam. So recently some major scams happened. So government had to take this decision and pass Fugitive Economic Offenders Bill for for scams or for amounts involving more than 100 crore rupees. Okay, 100 crore rupees more than. Then 13 point, gives nod to Union Cabinet, gives nod to National Financial Reporting Authority NFRA, and in short it will act as an auditor to the auditors. Like, what are the auditing firms which audit these companies? There are big four, like we have PricewaterhouseCoopers, we have Deloitte, okay, we have KPMG, we have other Grant Thornton and other companies which normally do audits for these companies. So government has announced the formation of this agency which will oversee the auditors also, that if they are working correctly, if they are working in ethically or not. Okay, then we have INS Tarini. This point is very important. INS V Tarini, it's the name of the vessel, it's the name of the boat, entered Cape Town. Okay, the news is important, it's okay, but from here, this is the first ever Indian circumnavigation of the globe by an all-women crew, indigenously built all over in India. Okay, indigenously built, we have built it fully. The expedition is titled Navika Sagar Parikrama. So the boat is circumnavigating the whole world, all-women crew, Indian Navy. Okay, so women empowerment. So you should know the name of this expedition and INSV Tarini. Then 15 point, Jitendra Singh launched social media of Namaste Shalom, a magazine devoted to India-Israel relations. Okay, this you should know, this particular line, right? Then the capital of Israel is Jerusalem, currency is shekel, and PM is Benjamin Netanyahu. All three are very important. Okay, then we have some other points, other entries in our list after top 15. Coffee Board has applied for registration of Araku coffee. Araku Valley is in Andhra Pradesh, sometimes called mini Switzerland of Andhra Pradesh also. Very beautiful, very scenic, very green. Okay, under GI tag, geographical indication tag, to protect the unique identity. So it is given to a product for unique identity. Coffee grown in the tribal communities of Araku Valley in the Vishakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh. So location is important here. Then we have Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, issued Aadhaar card for Bal Aadhaar for children meant for 5 years, below 5 years, for children for below 5 years. So this is important, and the color is important, blue color, to differentiate from normal Aadhaar cards. Then we have one point, Chairman of Economic Advisory Council to Prime Minister, which met recently, is Dr. Bibek Debroy, is a noted economist. Okay guys, so these were the points. Please like, share and subscribe, and do prepare. All the very best.